Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use Jotform table for creating weekly meal planner. So here I have signed up to Jotform and there is this product Jotform table. So I'm going to go to products and then click on Jotform table. That should show me dashboard like this, and here as you can see, create table. So you have to choose from scratch, use template or import data. So if you choose from scratch, it should create one table for you. Now let's delete some of the default columns, and if we delete that, we can delete some good columns, right? And let's start from scratch. First thing we need is date and time, right? So that would allow us the date to track, right? So here we have to also include time, create column. Now in next we use text column, short text, right? So here we can use a particular column for breakfast, then we use another for lunch, then we have another one for dinner. Finally we all add one more snack, right? So these are some of the short text columns where we manually enter some of the item names. You can also add notes just in case if we miss any, right? So let's add the first column. Here we will be adding the day. So Saturday are 9 minutes 10 and am, right? Then we can choose breakfast items, so coffee and bread, right? So lunch, dinner we can add in along with the notes. We can add one more entry, but instead of doing that we can simply use form for this, right? So if we go to form option in here and then click on edit form, right? And then here can simply go to the bottom. Here you can see we have this header item which you can keep at the top. Here you can however put name at the top, right? And you can preview this, looks something like this. Now we can go back off and then publish our form. Now publish form can be open in new tab. It looks something like this. So let's go with another day, say 8th, right? Then here, then time, let's say am, or you can go with say 12:27 p.m. So we have like lunch, right? So it should be like coffee and some other regional dishes and curd, right? You can submit this and that entry should be available within our table. You have one for breakfast and lunch and so on. So you can plan some of these in Jotform table, right? So here you can experiment with some pre-made menu item by adding column and then choosing from those set of selections. That is also possible, or simply make everything text, short text, and manually add the data. So that's your Jotform table for creating meal planner.